Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant freezing and crashing whole PC to force restart. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. On left side select Windows Update. On right side select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed out here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that you just need to scroll down and select advanced options. Scroll down and select optional updates. In here if you have any updates available, then you just need to check mark the box and select the download and install option. In here if BIOS update is not available, then you need to go to the motherboard manufacturer website and download the BIOS driver. Second step, you just need to update your graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed out here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. Third step, you just need to disable overclocking. If your CPU, GPU or RAM is overclocked, reset them to default settings. Overclocking can cause instability, especially with games like Valorant. Access your BIOS settings to disable overclocking. Revert to factory settings for GPU via AMD Alrain software or NVIDIA control panel. Fourth step, you just need to adjust virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Select advanced. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck the automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After selecting the drive, you just need to select custom size. Now you just need to find how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just close stuff here. Now check my video description for these values used in my video. Installer size and maximum size depends on where RAM you just need to copy it guys. In my case I have 16 GB RAM, so I am copying this value, paste it in installer size, and the maximum size value copy depends on your RAM and paste it in maximum size. After that select set option, select OK and select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart now option and restart the PC. Fifth step, you just need to turn off full screen optimization. To do this, you just need to right click on the Valorant on the desktop shortcut and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Sixth step, you just need to disable third party software guys. Certain third party application can conflict with Valorant. Temporarily disable background apps like MSI Afterburner, Racer Snipe, Discord overlays, etc. You can close them via Task Manager. Just right click on it and select Task Manager. If anything is running in the background, just right click on it and select End Task. After that, just close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Valorant freezing and crashing whole PC to force restart problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.